And then last, let's just talk about creating with this a cone. So it's going to be very similar to what we did here. We're going to create another circle. And I could go over here to where it says anchor, drag this over till it kind of is set. Once again, I can kind of set this as I'd like using V. I can drag this over, and same thing, I just want to make sure, I'm going to make this a little bit of a lighter yellow. Just make sure that I've got this kind of lined up the way that I want it to be. There we go. All right, and now if we look at this way, it looks like we're looking under it, which is kind of weird. But same thing as we did before. If we select all of these, Shift M for that, drag down, I now have a cone. And I can also do the thing I did before where I can add a gradient to this. It's a little bit of a weirder gradient, right? But we can just go in and change that. Making sure I've got that selected. I can then go over to a yellow. And for this gradient, I'm going to want circle. So we're going to start with a kind of a nice light yellow. And then go to a darker yellow. Then all the way over to there. Same thing, if I go over to my gradients here, I can kind of manipulate this the way that I want to make it feel right. And we can even, if we wanted to, rotate this just a little bit by dragging it out so that it feels like we're getting that area there the way we want it to kind of be. It's using a little bit of a tilt. All right. So that is how you can create some very standard shapes, and then you can combine these together to create different shapes for your robot. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next lesson.